The city is located in South Carolina, on the coastal regions.
Our city overview is it's a small city on the coast of South Carolina with a lot of the jobs being coastal related as well as the housing.
Most of our residents' lives are contributing to recycling plastic, creating plastic, and working in schools, fire stations, and hospitals.
Our recreation and parks are here and there.
People want to live in our city because it is a very clean, circular economy, and we are able to constantly recycle plastic and remove waste.
And it's a coastal city. And our circular economy solutions are our wind turbine, which gathers energy, clean energy from the wind, and our solar panels, which gather clean energy from the sun, as well as our tidal plant that gathers energy from waves and tides.
We have special plastic robes that allow the sun to be reflected off of it because they're white, and we have blue sidewalks so people can see easier during the night while they're doing night jogs.
And bikes.
Bikes.
To design out waste and pollution, we have included a recycling plant and a recycling system in our waters.
The way the recycling system works is it pulls plastic through a duct right here. It goes into the building, it sorts out the trash from the water, and then pumps the water to the turbine, and then pumps it back out via underground pump. Then it transports the plastic into the plastic recycling factory. And then that recycled plastic is transported to the plastic factory to be turned into certain types of plastic.
One of the risks is that we have a recycling plant, and if that shuts down, then we'll have less plastic to recycle for road maintenance, and also that means there's less for the turbine to pull through.
And that would also mean our economy would crash because that's all we produce.
It's true.
That's it.